What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and we're here back with the lovely NSX to talk about the cost of ownership. So after owning this car for close to a year now, we want to take a look at some of those costs that are associated with the ownership of a supercar. All right, so when it comes to insurance, you're looking at roughly about, we'll say close to 600 bucks for a $500 deductible. So on a yearly basis, you're looking at about $1,200. So when it comes to insurance, the numbers that I've shared with you are numbers that are based on my driving history. That's going to be variable for lots of other individuals. So I'm just sharing with you the rates that are associated with my particular driving history. All right, so I've got my renewal papers here for my property tax. So in North Carolina, you do have to pay property tax. So here we're looking at a county, a city, a fire, and a special. All of those total up to about $502. And then you've got the registration fee that is $68.75. So we're looking at a total of close to 600 bucks, $570.71 to get the renewal on this car. So when it comes to the registration numbers, the renewal bill that you get from your local county within your state, the numbers that I shared are going to be a rough estimate. Now consider the fact that I do have a custom plate, so there's going to be a little bit of an extra cost for that custom plate, but I think it's worth it so that I can have a plate that says NSX Power. NSX Power, baby. So the only other costs that are going to need to be covered within a yearly period are just things like an oil change, depending on how many miles you drive, and any other routine maintenance that is due for service. So we're talking here about an Acura NSX. The brand is known for dependability, reliability, all that good stuff. So far within this first year, there have been no major issues. A lot of the stuff I have done it myself. You can check those out in other previous videos, but Just wanted to share this information with you.
As shown in a previous video, the average cost for an oil change on an NSX is about $500. So if you add that number to your annual cost, that gives you an idea of how much it will be, and it all depends on how much you drive. So looking at our total numbers here, we've got $1,200 for insurance, $600 for registration, and $500 for an oil change, bringing the total to about $2,300.
So now that you know some of the costs associated with owning a supercar, now you can set your goals and hopefully one day own a supercar as well. As for this, we're done. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.